We're going to be looking into the Ionic navigation today and how we can start creating our own. First, I'm just going to show you if we do an install for an Ionic project, the side menu. I'm just going to show you how that navigation works and also why it's kind of not optimal when we're doing this for the desktop version compared to the mobile application. So this is just a Ionic that I just downloaded through my terminal, where I just have the side menu. So let's just go through it here. If we click up here, we get the menu pressed in from here, from the left to right and so on. We can navigate through these 2 points. So there's only 2 right now. But the important thing is to notice up here, it's just localhost and the port number. And it doesn't show that I'm on the list page or the home page or things like this, and this navigation is really being built for mobile, more mobile than anything. So up here we also have this back arrow. We don't really want that in a standard desktop version, at least not the one we're going to build right now. So we're going to be looking into how we can convert this or basically create our own navigations that's more fit for the desktop version we're going to. I just made a quick example. I know it's really pretty, but the design for now is not the super important part. This is kind of what we want. So we want to have the navigation up here where we are, sub page, list page, home page, and so on. So we wanted to print out this as well and have a standard navigation like this. Of course, if your design once goes for this, then of course do this, but in our case, we're going to build a navigation that's more similar to a lot of the desktop application. That's kind of what we have to go or get to today. And it's going to be kind of code heavy based. So if you don't understand everything that happens, some of it will be like, what? And that's cool. For now, we just need to have this working, and the more you actually look at the code, the more times we revisit it, and so on, the better we will be at actually understanding what happens. So there will be some code in this example in the next coming videos that I won't explain completely through, but at some point we will go through this code, what actually mean, what does a loop mean, what does a for loop mean, and so on and so on. So let's jump into the action here with actually creating a desktop navigation for Ionic.